Hello and welcome to this new section on personalized customer experiences, one of the pillars of AI for CRM excellence, and the first lecture of that. So, in this section, we will give you an in depth view of how to use artificial intelligence for excellence in personalized customer experiences. And we will begin by taking a look at a couple of things. And of that, we will, this lecture, talk about AI driven segmentation. So there are three things that we will talk about in this section as we go forward. One is, how does AI analyze behaviors or demographics to tailor offers and messages doing this AI-driven segmentation. Second, we will take a look at how does AI suggest, products and services based on the previous interactions and preferences. And the third thing we will talk about in this section is, how does AI do the dynamic content delivery, adapting emails, web pages, and chat interfaces in real time. So let us take a look at AI-driven segmentation in this lecture. So how do you think AI analyzes customer behaviors and demographics to tailor offers and messages? Any thoughts? See, AI analyzes customer behavior and demographics using a combination of machine learning, data mining, and pattern recognition to tailor personalized offers and messages. Now, what are the various things that happen behind this overall picture? Let us take a look at the details. So, first thing that AI does is it pulls data from various sources. Sources like, demographics, age, gender, location, income, and occupation. It picks up, behavioral data from website visits, app usage, email opens, past purchases, cart activity, click paths, variety of things. And the third group of data that picks up is the engagement data, in which it looks at responses to ads, social media interactions, and support queries. A example of this would be, a retail website logs the item a user browses, adds to the cart, and purchases, as well as their devices and location. So that's how the data collection and integration happens. Second thing AI does is, clusters customers into segments using unsupervised learnings like K-means clustering or hierarchical clustering. We will talk about these two later on. And this it does based on few factors like the purchasing patterns, browsing behaviors, lifetime value, and engagement frequency. A good example of this segmentation would be, high value customers who frequently buy premium products may be grouped separately from deal hunters who shop only during sales. So that's how the segmentation with machine learning happens. Another thing AI does is, it uses the predictive models to forecast many things like what products a customer is likely to buy next, when they are likely to buy, how likely are they to churn, and which offers are most likely to convert them. A good example of this would be a model that may predict that a customer is likely to purchase running shoes within 2 weeks based on their recent browsing patterns. So that's how a predictive analytics helps. The fourth thing the AI does is personalized messaging. Using NLP, natural language processing, and behavioral trigger, AI generates, tailored messages in terms of subject lines and email content, sends messages at an optimal time, right? Sends messages at an optimal time in terms of the time of email being sent and recommends specific products, bundles, or discounts. An example of this would be an email with the subject, your favorite sneakers are back in stock, now 15% off, is sent only to users who viewed that item more than once. So that's how the personalization of messages happens. Then AI continuously runs experiment, right, to test which messages and offers get the best response, learns from the outcomes and refines the future campaigns, and adapts messages dynamically in real time. An example of that would be AI might test whether a free shopping offer works better than a 10% discount offer for a particular customer segment. So that's how the A/B and the multivariate testing happens. Then, when a customer visits a site or an app, AI adapts to the product recommendations, banners, and offers in real time and adjusts content based on the context, whether it is a mobile versus desktop, current location, weather, etc. And a good example of this would be a user in Chicago browsing on a snowy day may be shown a winter gear while a user in Miami sees beachwear. So that's how the real time personalization happens. So, what are the business outcomes of all these things AI does in segmenting the customers and predicting their behaviors? The first thing that happens is in the higher conversion. You are able to get higher conversion from the messages, the campaigns, the tasks that you do as a result of finely targeted campaigns. Second, there is improved customer retention because you are taking into account what customer has done recently and showing those things. So there is a higher customer retention. The third thing that happens is an increased average order value because you are making offers that are relevant to the customer situation. So the order value increases. And lastly, you are engaging in more relevant and engaging communication with the customers, building the stronger relationship with the customer, leading to excellence. So, what is next? What do we do in the next lecture? So in the next, we will dig a little deeper into looking at how to use supervised, unsupervised learning programs, algorithms like k-mean clustering or hierarchical clustering to cluster customer into segments. So that's what we will do in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on personalized customer experiences in this course, AI for CRM Excellence. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.